to the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy hearts and I are ready to materialize for a spectacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween. This is Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween. This is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scene, trick or treat till the neighbor's gonna die. Disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary okay. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along. We're just some poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Doesn't scare you. Well, to see her is to take a sign. Cruella de Vil. She like a spider waiting for the kill. Cruella de Vil. Trust in me. Trust Confuser, a Hepalumperoozel's very sly. They come in ones and twosels, but if they so choose us, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Elephants on parade, here they come, hippity hoppity. They're here, and then we got elephants everywhere. Look out! Look out! The elephants on parade! Now, who could that be?
Happy Halloween, darlings!
Why, the Sea Witch. So glad you could plop in.
This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. The Lucas of Rugacum winds of the Caspian Sea. Versailles, Max Laryngitis, the Voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Poor unfortunate souls in pain. stopping the fun without me.
Why, you're dead right.
Well then, let me treat you all to a little sorcery in the sky.
You call that magic? Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, 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 what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. Hey! I say boogie boogie!
And now, to end our ghostly gathering, we invite you to partake in our favorite Halloween tradition, the Scream-Along. Any volunteers? Just scream like you're trying to wake the dead!
This is Halloween, Halloween. Everybody
Thank you for hanging around.